one thing which is even more critical than actually knowing how to trade is knowing when not to trade. This is more important than anyone can imagine. If you know when not to trade, half the battle's won. Let me explain why. If you're trading in a highly volatile area or highly volatile market, and you are putting in trades and losing 9 trades out of 10, if you sat at home without trading, you would be 9 trades out of 10 better off. And if you just took one trade and won, you will have no problem. So what I'm trying to say is you have to pick your battles correctly. Let me show you why I'm telling you this. Last week, the whole entire week, I had one trading opportunity. Only one. It was very frustrating, trust me, but I stuck with it and I took the one trade. And you know what happened with that one trade? I lost it. That trade went south. It did not go in my favor, but I still only took one trade. And the reason why I took that trade is because it ticked the boxes. It was an 80-20 trade. That means 80% it would have worked on in my favor, but still it lost. Let me just show you what happened last week. This situation, as you can see, is not giving us any indications. There's no indications. Do you see how it's hugging this 10-day moving average? All day long it's hugging the 10-day moving average. Lo and behold, you get one here, but it's out of is it at midnight, so it's out of bounds for us. We keep going. No more trading opportunities. Look, it's past the 50 already down here. There's no trading opportunities. No trading opportunities. It's hugging the 10-day moving average. This is ridiculous. Very, very frustrating. But you have to stick with your guns. You have to, because if you don't, you will get eaten up by this market. So look, not one trading opportunity, hugging that 10-day moving average like it's going out of fashion. So this happened all last week. All last week, not one. There was one trading opportunity, like I said, and it went in. It went south, but it was only about 12 points. Let me see if I can find it. Right here is where there was a trading opportunity here. It went, as you can see, both of them went into the zone. We jumped in here, but what happened is I moved my stop loss after this occurrence here. I moved my stop loss, and it stopped me out at break even, basically. As you can see, it went back up and then it came back down in our favor, but because of the volatility of the market, I had to move my stop loss from up here to down where we came in, which was rather around here somewhere. So it stopped me out at break even. So it is kind of a trading opportunity if it worked, but it was too volatile. So we didn't really actually lose, but we didn't gain. So as far as I'm concerned, there was nothing going on there. But the point of this tutorial here is to show you that you have to be patient, because you're going to get a lot of times in the market whereby there's nothing going on at all. Don't be tempted by the urge, because you will get the urge. You'll see a 50-50 trade, or even better, a 60-40 trade, and you would say to yourself, I want to do that. I can do that. I know it's going to go in my favor. I know it's going to go in my favor. There'll be a little gremlin in your head telling you this stuff. You have to fight it. You have to fight that urge and say, nope, the boxes are not ticked. Okay, 3 out of 4 boxes are ticked, but it states in my portfolio, in my portfolio here, that I will not trade if it's 3 out of 4. I can't trade less than 4. If that is your policy, you have to stick with your policy, because it might not go in your favor. There's plenty of times I've said that to myself. It's a 60-40 trade, and you say you should go, I don't go, and it goes in my favor, and I'm saying, oh look, see, I could have won that, that's me, and I'm kicking myself. But nowadays I don't kick myself. I pat myself on the back for sticking to my strategy, because as it went in your favor, it can also go out of your favor. It could go against you, and if it goes against you when you're not doing your strategy, you will feel 10 times as worse when it goes against you when you're not in your strategy. So stick to your guns, and at the end of it, you will count up your lolly and you would see that this is for you, it worked. And that's better than any trading skill or anything you can learn, any technical analysis, anything. Stick to your trading skill and stick to your strategy, and you would see sometimes you do not need to trade.